But I'm gonna try to fly it, and I'm also going to try to fly this guy at the same time. My face looks stupid when I'm doing that.
If I die, baby, lay me down on a bed of roses, stick me in the river at dawn, send me away, send me away. It's the shrooms, I'm addicted to the thrill. The dream of being big, I don't ever wanna die, but I'm hating how I live. And it's getting so bright, these moments getting better. Doing shows I never dreamed. I want the shit forever in the city I came. The city done changed, everybody I knew saying I am not the same. The other birds, baby, Mr. Come Up on the light, toast to the coast. I done came up far, with your camera, baby. That's a knife for the 80. 20 years young, the fun you can wait.
It's January and it's freaking hot. It's just beautiful out here today at the sandbar. So many sea turtles just basking in the sun because it's winter time, and it's been like kind of cold and windy for the last like week or two. I'll show you. Without further ado, the new thingy. Oh, what should we name it? This thing's cool. It folds down to fit in my trunk, and it's really fast. Let me show you how fast it is. From dead idle. The water is too beautiful not to get in. Great day, great weekend. I spent the entire Friday night and Saturday just working on the car, but I have a sweet stereo system installed that can play movies for the kids and backup cameras, so it's like extra safe. Yeah, it was only $100 too. It's an amazing deal. It was a ton of work to install, hooking up the navigation in a 2002 vehicle. But anyways, time to go mosey on home, get home in time to take a shower before I go pick up my girls. Peace. Or no, in Hawaii, the new thing shoots.
Red light.
1 minute late picking up the kids. Will she be out on the curb with them? There she is. See her!
How many times have you lost your phones?
Oh no, it's just a new case. It's the same phone. Hold on, Leia. Let me get the seatbelt in first, then I'll close it, okay? Hey!
There's a chance she could pee her shit.
I know. Pee her shit. All right. Be on lookout. All right. Say bye to the vlog. Oh my God. Hi, Sarah. You guys ready to go? Yay! Okay. You guys like the new TV, Leia?
Yeah! We can watch TVs in the car. Yeah!
Had a monumental moment. See, they went potty in the bathroom for the first time.
If I found a way to be happy every day, if you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling. The clouds are never gray. If only there was a place. If you could just see my face, y'all would see I'm smiling.
If I walk slowly, they're not going to come to me.
Maybe if you feed them chicken nuggets.
Yeah, give me chicken nuggets.
Okay, let's go get your chicken nuggets out of the car.
Okay, go get
Hey, it's time to get high, homies, so pass the J.
no. I just wanted it!
You almost kept them.
No. And he just climbed down on my hand.
I know, I didn't get it on video, unfortunately.
You got it!
Oh.
I got it!
We're gonna be doing some droning. Good job, you guys. Carry the drones outside. Oh yeah, that's a real big controller you got there, Sailor. Oh, you got it? Drop it. We gotta turn the drone on first.
Can I turn this
Yeah.
on?
The switch is on the drone. You landing it, Leia? You did it, Leia. You did it.
You want me to go get it, Dad?
Yeah, go get it. I got it, Sailor. We go. Letting the kids do the hard work. Say hi, guys. Tell them where we're at.
Show us our new boat.
You like your new boat, Leia?
Yeah.
Oh, it's full. Well, big waves, Leia. Big waves. Concentrating there, Sailor. Yeah, like that turtle. Was the turtle you saw little or big?
Big.
Good.